welcome to Chuttiesideas.
Let's learn farm animals.
This is a cow. Its little one is calf. It sounds. Cows provide meat, milk, labor, leather, and hundreds of other products that people use in everyday life.
This is a horse. Its young one is a calf. It sounds. They are used for riding and transport. They are also used for carrying things, pulling carts, or helping plow farmers' fields in agriculture. This is a sheep. The young one is lamb. It sounds.
Sheep continue to be important for wool and meat today, and are also occasionally raised for pelts, as dairy animals.
This is a goat. The young one is kid.
It sounds. Goats have been used for milk, meat, fur, and skins across much of the world. Milk from goats is often turned into goat cheese. This is a pig. The young one is piglet. It sounds. Pigs provide valuable products for humans, including pork, lard, leather, glue, fertilizer, and a variety of medicines. This is a donkey. The young one is a calf. It sounds. This is a hen. The young one is a chick. It sounds. Females mature hens and younger chickens, called pullets, are raised for meat and for their edible eggs. This is a duck. The young one is a duckling. It sounds. Ducks are a source of meat, eggs, and down feathers for making bedding and warm jackets. Duck meat and duck eggs are good dietary sources of high-quality protein, energy, and several vitamins and minerals.
Let's see pet animals.
This is a dog. The young one is a puppy. It sounds. Dog breeds vary widely in shape, size, and color. They perform many roles for humans, such as hunting, herding, pulling loads, protection, assisting police and the military, companionship, therapy, and aiding disabled people. This is a cat. The young one is kitten. It sounds. It is commonly kept as a house pet and farm cat, but also ranges freely. They are adapted to killing small prey like mice and rats. This is a rabbit. The young one is a bunny. Rabbit or hare is usually baked, boiled, or cooked in stews. The fur is used for clothing, trim for moccasins, mitts, and for crafts. This is a parrot. The young one is chick. It sounds. The parrot plays an important role in its habitat by helping to propagate the forest. Some species eat nectar and are important in the pollination of many species of plants in the tropical forests. This is a fish. Keeping fish in an aquarium or pond in your home or garden is a great stress reliever. Fish are known to have a calming effect on those watching them. This is a mouse. Mice are entertaining indoor pets. They're easy to take care of because they create few demands. You can quickly train them to be disciplined and how to handle food while they are still young. Let's sing together.
The dogs on the farm say, quack.
more videos. Like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon to Chuttiesideas. Bye, see you soon.